All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Poetic decided to send me over their Guardian series and their Spartan series. So these will run you between 40 and 80 bucks. I'm going to pop them on for you. This is how they come to you in the packaging. I wanted to leave it this way to show you. You get some extra adhesives in here too. You can see these are the instructions on how to do so, how to apply it. And then here is the front portion. That's actually really sleek, man. I like that front end. I hope it plays well with the phone. I have a tempered glass on there. And then here's the back portion. Ooh, I kind of like this, man. It's gonna go good with my burgundy Z Fold 4. So taking a look at the case real quick here. We're gonna go ahead and look at the front here. You can see this corner here. Peel that off. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean the front of the device real quick here before I put the front portion on. I'll go ahead and peel this out. Now, I'll go ahead and put this portion on, because it does have a screen protector built in. Obviously, you know I have a tempered glass on mine. So we'll go ahead and clean the back. And we're going to peel this portion off. That's an adhesive right there. This is sexy right here. Oh my God. Oh yeah, that is freaking sick. Man, this is really nice. That is nice. Oh my gosh. I like that. So looking, and this is the Guardian. So looking at the side of the case here, you can see you got an opening for the power button right there, / fingerprint reader. You got your volume rocker, corner bumper stops on each corner right there. That is sleek. This case looks really good with this burgundy foam. And then you got all your ports and everything up and on the top right here, as you can see. Go around to the back. You got very nice open look at the color of the device. I do have that black camera module cover on there, so it still plays well with that. Then you got a little bit of Poetic branding right there. And on the bottom here, you got the ports and everything that line up great. And then opening it up, man, look at how it looks. Oh, that is so sleek. Yes, I know I'm always cleaning my device, but that is just so freaking sleek. This is nice. This is really nice. It's got like a gray front on here, a little two-tone. You got the gray two tones down inside of there. How does it play well? Does it play well with wireless charging? We're going to find out. It plays well with wireless charging. Fantastic. That is a good deal right there. So we're going to go ahead and get open the Spartan right hand. The Spartan is the bigger version, the bulky version of like a heavy duty case. It's not so much too bulky, but it's a heavy duty case here. So you got your instructions here. Same thing. They give you some extras. And then, so we tear open here. We've got hinge. Oh, this is so beautiful. We've got hinge protection. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. I like this already. I think I'm getting ready to wear this case right here. I mean, I know I like this one, but I love the hinge protection because it's a spot in there for my pen. That is what I was getting ready to get at. So I got to grab my pen. So the front of this looks to be, it's got a different design. All right, so we'll go ahead and pop this off here. I'll go ahead and get this off. Ooh, yeah. And now I'll go ahead and pop the front off and put this front on. They're the same, it's just a different design. As you can see here, this one's got texture and this one's smooth. Peel this off. Ooh, there is some hinge protection I need to take off on this one right here. So I'll pop it off real quick. It's right here. Now let's get that back on so we don't get any fingerprints or anything on there. Ooh, yes. Where's my pen at? So pen, and then we got this case right here, this back portion. Let's go ahead and pop the pen in. Oh yeah, baby. And the great part about this is it got a freaking kickstand, man. This is like the all-in-one ultimate. This color is beautiful too. So you got like this little pattern, texture pattern at that. So go ahead and pop the back off the Guardian. That side. We'll pop this on. Yeah. I'm about to rock out with this. I'm about to rock out with this. This is crazy nice. I'm loving this. So we start at the back here. We've got obviously, like I said, the kickstand where you can have it sit up like this because the device will be open. And so you'll be able to watch like that, watch your movies or whatever you're doing, editing, whatever. Locks back in place. And then you've got the camera module deeply recessed. Remember I told you this one is a heavy duty case. So, keep that in mind. Camera modules deeply recessed. And also remember I'm using the camera module protection. Again, this is a textured pattern right here. And if we flip over to this side, you can see some branding right here for Poetic. And then you can see your S Pen through there, or your fold pen. We go on the front here. This is what it looks like that. Screen is nice there. On the top here, you've got all ports and everything that line up good. On this side here, power buttons open and volume rockers covered, obviously, and you have that textured pattern on there. On this side right here, all ports and everything are open. And then again, remember when you want to access your S Pen, you open it up and then you push here, and then the S Pen pops out, and then you can go ahead and open it up, and then dribble, right how you need to do it. So that's really sweet. This is like the ultimate, type of case right here. Obviously, I have the same one from a different company, and different brands offer this style of case, and it's really nice. This color is beautiful though. So let's go ahead and check wireless charging. If I could put it the right way. And wireless charging works. That's the unique part about these cases. Now, everything's working with wireless charging. And it could just be my wireless charger. You know what I mean? That's a good wireless charger, man, from Momax. I think it's beautiful. So, yeah, man, there it is. A nice set of cases here from Poetic, man. They did the doggone thing. I like both of these. But if I'm being honest, man, I'm telling you, this joint right here, this is the one. I'm just leaving my phone in there for now. Oh man, that's beautiful. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and look for the links to these down below. I have them both down there. Beautiful cases, and they feel really good too. And as you can see, they work with wireless charging. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.